Okay, after import, so we have this icon, so called import 3D motion. Just click this one. Okay, and we get this motion. Okay, and I would like to click animation and motion and click 3D motion, this one. Okay, you see, so I try to drop one for then this character. Okay, now it applies, so I can play. Okay, good. And I rotate this when I play, so I can rotate this. Okay, when we rotate, so you see the character is also rotate also. Okay, and if we click a link, so when rotate is not affect. Okay, and click link again, so rotate effect. Okay, I would like to design and lock to hip. Okay, try to play. This is not lock to hip, so okay, now I click lock to hip. That's look good. Okay, and another option, so root motion, click. Root motion is stand still here, so I don't click root motion. It's moving, you see, and I click root motion. Root motion not moving. If we need to adjust or transform and flip body, undo and xin cheng. Okay, and flip body when walking and flip something like that. Okay. Okay, and we untick root motion and click camera tracking. And camera tracking is track with this guy, so walking like that. Okay, now I teach camera tracking and teach root motion. Okay, after that, so I click apply to. Okay, click open timeline. So I click control to auto hide by this one to show this one. Okay, play. Wow, very good. So I can use this motion, and I try to use another, so I drag again to this guy. Yeah, so when I click this guy, the motion is applied to this one. Okay, this one is an 45 angle like this. Okay. Okay, very good. So lock to hip and click root motion, play. First frame I try to this angle, play. And for this guy, the same setting. Okay, and rotate first frame, so I rotate this in front like this. Okay, and play. You see, it's look good, very nice. And this, okay, thanks for Reallusion. This very good for new motion from 3D, and we can use this as this motion if we have 3 character, and it can change Okay, I would like to apply this character, this one. Apply. When it's finished, yeah, finished. So I would like to apply this one guy. I want to switch to share. Okay, apply one more. Okay. Again. Sorry. So I would like to delete this motion. So just play along with this motion, okay? I'm sorry for my mistake. So just delete this one. I would like to apply this. So I would like to change this motion like this. Okay, and activate link. Okay, like that. So I would like to apply this vector. Okay, and the last one, this character. So I click and then share, rotate here. Okay, and click apply. Okay, I close all. So I would like to delete for the first character. So this one delete, and this start from this character. After that, this character. So I just flip this one. I start this character first, so I click motion this character. Okay, and until this one, so transform. So I drag this character. I try to use only one character. Okay, and transform. This one here, and high. Okay, and the first frame high. So, and this character high. Click here. High. Okay, and after this guy, then so I click this guy, and after here. Okay, I drag this first. Here, high and high. First frame high, and click visible. This one head. Okay, and this guy high here. Okay, now I play the first frame. Okay, and I try to readjust this dancing. So drag here at the same. Okay, I just combine this character to here. Okay, after character, so another character, this one. Okay, so okay, unhide this one. So I click here. So I would like to remember this one project. This one, double click. Okay, right. And after that, show another character. Here, double click. This guy. So I drag this to here, switch. and share, because this is the last motion of this guy. So again, mm, transform. Yeah. Okay, and another retractor, this one. Yeah, so we click high. Okay. And this one we need to drag motion. Okay, like this. Okay, try at the first frame. Okay, and it's finished here. Okay, the last one. Okay, and we drag here too. Okay, perfect. New motion from 3D, and we can use from iClone version. Wow, very good. So try to test again. Um, can we add the music? Try to add the music. Yeah, music. Double click. Um, ready. My music. Okay. YouTube. My YouTube music. Okay, right click to break this one, and use this as fade in and fade out. Fade in and again. That's okay. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoy with new update from Reallusion. So very useful, and is helpful for if you have any motion from iClone, you can use this one. Okay. Thank you. I hope you guys love this one. If I say make a mistake something, so I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay. See you next tutorial. Okay. Bye bye.